Yellow, green, blue, and orange are all colors. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing that I did last time, because last time it worked. Now, this is not an endorsement of trying to repeat yourself with the expectations that some sort of success will follow it, because that's incorrect. But repeating once can be okay. I don't like repeating, but I'm going to repeat after a fashion. The same experiment I did in Fresno when I was trying to obtain magic green paper acquisition methods. Sustainable magic green paper acquisition methods. So when I was doing that in Fresno, I did acquire a method, and I got the green papers for a month and a week, and I learned how to stamp metal parts, and it was great. And now I know how to stamp metal parts, and I probably could go to any metal stamping part place here in Oregon and exchange my time for magic green papers based off of that experience. Maybe. I don't know for sure if I could. Maybe. But I'm not going to focus on that because I've already done that, and that's a more crystallized form of repetition that I would like to avoid. So I will be repeating the form and format only of the idea that led to said metal stamping, stamp metaling type movements, and see what comes out this time. Because that just came out. I don't know. I didn't necessarily choose that. That's what happened out of the one day of outreach. Now again, I would like to make it clear that this is, again, an in-between step in between myself and what I think I would like to be doing. I'm pretty sure I would like to be doing it, which is, one, anything chess related, playing, teaching, studying, making chess memorabilia out of physical objects, writing. Maybe I'll write a book about chess. I think I will at some point, actually, because my chess career is a highly strange one. Trajectory, as I told someone just recently in Vancouver. Some girl has that coveted thing which I am after, which is called a title, and she's also published. She is a one-book published chess author. So, chess, Reiki, or energy work, or helping people retain sanity inside of an upside-down realm, such as the one we exist in. And the third, traveling. So I want to be traveling. We want to do a van life type thing, preferably like the one dude who just makes fun of all the other van lifers. That seems like a sort of an adequate way of van lifing. Just exploring and doing weird shit. That's basically what I envision myself doing. But until then, I'm going to be casting in my fortune with such as natural groceries, or Bedmart, or Applebee's, or T-Mobile, or Columbia Bank, or Fidelity National Title, or Mod Pizza, or Killer Burger, or any one of many of these corporate faces here, and that's what I'll be doing. So I'm going to reach out to a handful of them today. If they can tolerate my weirdness, then perhaps one of them will say, yes, come exchange your hours for our magic green papers. And in that case, I will be in luck, and I will be moving along toward that which I shall end up in. We shall end up in. At some point. I don't know what point, I don't know when, don't know how long. All the knowns are unknown, so that didn't make any sense whatsoever. Anyway, I hope everyone's doing well and having a beautiful day, or morning, or evening, or whatever other sort of day/light/dark mix that your sort of planetary environment produces. And I hope you do something. Action yourself. Actionable yourself. Come on. Peace!